secret code that's never hidden, twisting strands of life inside. The map of all we are resides.
From ancient seas to skies above, life began with spark and love. Through every age and every line, the stars and genes became aligned. DNA, the code of life, written deep where hope survives. Blueprint of existence, shine.